Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at this 2012 Mini Cooper Countryman. It is the ALL4 S model, so all-wheel drive. It's low mileage, just 80,000 kilometers on this one, which is very low for the year. And for 2012 it's pretty well equipped. We've got the dual sunroof with sunshades, the leather interior with the white contrast piping. Cooper S door sills, and as we can see, we've got 82,260 kilometers on this one. HD radio, there's your fuel gauge. Moving down, we do have heated seats, rear parking sensors, park assist system, just there. Power windows, power locks, climate control, air conditioning, all that good stuff. Being the S model, we do have the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. In the back, the vehicle's in very good shape, obviously very low mileage for 2012. Good sized trunk with a nice trunk liner, and your carpet floor mats underneath. Right now the vehicle does have the all-weather floor mats installed. It's currently on winter tyres, and they are brand new winter tyres, so plenty of life left on those. It's fully inspected and market certified. You can find more information, including the price, at auto-market.ca.